Hi, boys and girls. It's time for another Tom and Tabby story. We're going to be talking about identifying feelings today. Tomcat and Tabby Cat were playing school. Tomcat was the teacher, and he asked Tabby what shape he was holding up. Tabby had no idea what shape it was, and she started to feel her heart pound. Her tummy got upset, and her face turned red. Have you ever felt this way? I want you to turn and tell the person you're with about that time. Tabby, can you tell me what shape this is? You know it, don't you? Tom asked in his best teacher voice. Tabby Cat stormed off to her room and slammed the door. Stop making fun of me, she yelled. Tomcat was confused. Why did Tabby get mad at me? Tom wondered. In her room, Tabby could not figure out why she was mad at Tomcat. She just was. I want you to turn and tell the person you're with. What feeling do you think Tabby Cat is feeling right now? Tabby, I wasn't making fun of you. I thought that you knew the shape. It doesn't matter anyway, Tomcat said. Tabby took a deep breath and opened the door. Why are you mad at me? Tomcat asked. I don't know, Tabby said. I just started to feel hot and my tummy got upset because I didn't know that shape. Tomcat and Tabby Cat hugged. That means you felt embarrassed. You don't need to be tough. It's okay if you don't know something. Sometimes I don't know things either. All right, it is your turn to act this out with your own Tom and Tabby Cat. Hope you enjoyed this story. See you later.